Students, wake up! You're wasting hours every single day doing homework, assignments, and research, while others are finishing the same work in just minutes. And the difference? They are using AI tools. Let me ask you something. How many hours do you spend daily on homework? 2 hours? 3 hours? Maybe even 5? Now imagine finishing all of that work in less than 30 minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 powerful AI tools and sites that can completely change how you study, work, and learn. And the best part? They are completely free. First tool is ChatGPT. This is one of the most powerful AI tools available today. You can use it to write essays, generate ideas, summarize notes, and even explain complex topics in simple language. Instead of struggling for hours, you can simply ask ChatGPT and get instant answers. If math is your biggest problem, then Photomath is your best friend. Just scan your problem using your phone, and it will not only give you the answer, but also show step-by-step solutions. This helps you learn faster and solve problems instantly. Next tool is QuillBot. This is perfect for assignments and writing tasks. It helps you rewrite sentences, improve grammar, and make your writing more professional. Instead of copying, you can create original content easily. If you don't understand a topic, Khan Academy will teach you everything step by step. From math to science to business, it's like having a free personal teacher. So instead of working harder, start working smarter. These AI tools and sites won't replace your learning, but they will make you faster, better, and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell, because I'll be sharing more powerful AI tools and smart strategies to help you succeed.